guys, you want to know how I made this beautiful decorative bowl? Follow me and I'll show you how. Good morning and welcome back to my channel. Angela here. Today I am going to make I'm going to be using resin, epoxy resin, to make a decorative bowl. I'm going to bring you down and show you what I'm using. So we are using these PH Martin's Bombay inks. Yeah, green, teal, turquoise, and blue. Turquoise and blue. Okay, this is the epoxy A, and this is B, hardener. We use them together, one part each, equal parts. I'm gonna mix 3 ounces of each, so that will make 6 ounces total. Okay, I'm also gonna use this alcohol ink and this casting craft paint. Right, so and then I have some glitter here. This is actually, this is a little bit fine glitter and regular glitter. And this is the bowl, the base that I'm gonna make my bowl in. Okay, it will all come together later, trust me. Epoxy A, 3 ounces. The hardener, 3 ounces. Oh, and I also forgot to show you that I'm also going to be using these beautiful stones, like clear, pretty acrylic diamonds. So I'm going to use those as well. You have to mix it. Yeah, mix it very well for at least 3 minutes. Okay, so 1 ounce. If you're new to my channel, it's great to have you here. Please subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on any of my latest and future videos. We put 3 drops of each. Okay, 3 drops. You start with 3 drops. You mix it. Look how pretty. I wish I had clear cups so you can see through the cup, but look how pretty this is. Look how pigmented this is. So we go ahead and add each cup different color, mix it the same, all 4 of them. Mix really well. These colors are beautiful, so beautiful. And we're gonna go ahead and add another drop, and then mix it again. Once all the colors are nice and mixed really good, we're gonna go ahead and start with the green. The green, and then just pour in a circle, like outside, like on the rim of the bowl. a circular motion. Go ahead and pour it in a circular motion, and then we're gonna follow with the rest. We poured green first, then teal, then turquoise, and this is blue. So now with a little mixture of my resin and the hardener, I put the alcohol ink. It's white, and basically what this is gonna do is it's gonna make those my bowl look like it's got some waves, so like beach waves. So keep watching, you see the effect. Now at this point you don't really have to work like fast, because the resin, once it's poured, it does not harden really fast. It will take, this particular one says that it will take about 3 to 4 hours to start hardening. So at least it gives enough time to design it the way you want it. So right now it's really soft, and you can add different things on there. You can add the beach wave effect. You can add more resin if you want, but when it starts to harden, then you would have to stop adding stuff in it. Now all I'm doing is just spreading that alcohol ink mixture, and I'm spreading it out with a straw. I'm blowing through the straw. I know you can see it, but yeah, just blowing it out to spread it out and just make sure that it's even on the bowl, and especially on the bottom. Okay, so this is really how it looks when all the alcohol ink is settled. And now what I'm gonna do is I am going to mix the resin and put, there's my resin, and I'll just put my crystals in there and just mix them up really well, and just put them around, like around the rim of the bowl. Again, I'm working on the outside of the bowl. I'm gonna put a whole lot of them there, and some in the middle as well. That's what's gonna give me a lot of shine and glitter. So yeah, so now I'm just putting a little bit glitter on them in the middle of the bowl. That's the gray, the silver glitter, and also added a little bit of my crushed glass in my cup with all the little shiny crystals that I put there. Mix them up really well, and start pouring around the rim of my bowl like this. Right now it doesn't look like a bowl, but when it's done it will look. You've seen a glimpse of it in the beginning. That's how it's gonna look like, so it's really pretty. Yeah, right now I'm just fixing the little details, just making details with that mixture of crushed glass and the crystals just try to make sure that is leveled, spreading out the mixture. It is really fun to work with. It is so nice. It's like really slimy and it moves, and it's also very it's also self-leveling, so you don't have to worry about it getting in one part, getting too much of it. It's self-leveling. Yeah, so basically you can just move it and mold it the way you want. Okay, right now just sprinkling a little bit of my crystals all over, around, in the middle. Yeah, it's still very, very tacky. I have this one here that I crushed a while back, so I'm gonna mix them up and put them in my my bowl. So let's do this. A little bit of that, a little bit of that, like that, and a little bit of that. Put them all in pre-mixed. Yeah, I put them in the. Yeah, I put it in the pre-mixed resin, so I can mix it up, and that resin is gonna really gonna make it stick, because it's gonna go around the bowl just like the other mixture. So here we go. I put it all around the bowl, all around, and this is really, really pretty because it's got the blue crystals. They're a little bit bigger rocks, bigger than the other mixture, so it's gonna look really good. Dry. So I'm gonna put this in its shoebox, because it's more flat, it's better leveled, and I'm gonna leave it there for about 3 to 4 hours. When I come back, I am going to lift it and put it on the I think it's a vase that is going to make the bowl, that is gonna mold it to a bowl. So see you then. This is an all-day project, so I've been doing this since this morning, but it's okay. I think it's ready to be put on this ice bucket I got from the dollar store. So gonna put it on here right on top. Move the box out. It's been about 4 hours. Alright, I'm gonna use my heat gun and put a little bit heat on it so it can relax a little bit. Yeah. Okay, it looks a little bit relaxed. It's still kind of hard. Yeah, the bowl is getting harder and harder. So that although it calls for 3 hours, it's still is a little bit harder than I thought it would be. But yeah, so basically the heat gun is supposed to make it a little bit softer, so it will be easier to be molded. So here it is. What I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna leave it on here for about 24 hours, maybe about 18 hours, and then when I come back, that will be overnight really, and part of the morning. And then when it's nice and set and completely dry and hard, that is when we are going to unmold it, and we'll show you the results. Okay, good night, and we'll see you tomorrow. Guys, it's been about 18 hours, and I just took this bowl out of the mold, and look what a beauty we have here. It turned out so beautiful. I mean, look at it. It's so pretty. Yeah, what do you guys think? It looks so pretty. I am amazed. I am so amazed as to how it turned out. I didn't think it was gonna look this way, but check it out. We have a couple pictures. Yeah, leave a comment. Let me know what you think, how you like it. Subscribe if you haven't. Like, share with your friends, and God bless. Bye.